love him so much. Hi coffee beans! How's it brewing? I have a little bit of a life update for you guys. Mainly that the kind of format of my videos is gonna change just a little bit. Not a lot, so don't worry. I realized that all last year was my first year on YouTube, and it coincided with the pandemic, which means I had all the time in the world to film, craft, and edit. And I am now going back to work full-time, and I'm going back to work full-time in a new building. I work for my city's library system, and the building that I'm going to is a building I've never worked at before with a brand new schedule. So, all that being said, I have very, very, very little time now to film and craft and edit. So, I'm gonna have to start kind of limiting my videos just slightly. I think that means I'm gonna be doing a little bit less of this face-to-camera, face-to-face interaction with you guys, and it's gonna be a lot of voiceover, mainly because the only time I have to film now, I think, is after my daughter goes to sleep, and her room is right here, right next door, so I have to be extra quiet. So I think that means my voiceovers are gonna be more prominent, but I am kind of hoping to make them more fun and kind of on the fly, so we'll see how that goes. Usually my unboxing videos are an unboxing and then a full craft at the end, and my videos have been coming up on close to a half-hour long, which for me is a little bit too long, especially for editing and for watching. So I think from now on, my unboxing videos are going to focus on unboxing and then just testing out the products. I'm just gonna test out the products, see how they work, and then in a week or two, I will post a full video showing how to use the products that came in the kit, and, you know, making really cool crafts with it. With this new change, the last thing I want to do is stop making videos. I absolutely love making videos for you guys. I love interacting with you guys on the comments, interacting with you on Instagram. It has just become such a deep love for me. It's like a huge passion. So I'm not giving it up. I just have to change it slightly. With these changes, as always, your support means the world to me. So if you have any ideas or suggestions on what you would like to see or what you don't want to see, please let me know, because that'll really help me to grow my channel. Okay, enough about me. I want to introduce you guys to the newest member of my couch brigade. Oh my gosh, look how cute! If you don't recognize it, it's a little tauntaun from Star Wars. I saw him at Target and I had to get it, but wait, this is the best part. I love him so much. He's super soft too. I love the tauntauns from Star Wars when they're on Hoth in The Empire Strikes Back. Big Star Wars fan. He just makes my day with his like blah 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 blah. So I had to have him, and now he is joining the couch family back here.